As principals and members of Linda Mwananchi, we came here this morning to engage with the registrar of political parties regarding the reservation and registration of our name, Linda Mwananchi movement. You will recall that we had made an application for that name, and we received a letter declining the registration on account of public interest. So we came to engage with the registrar on the interpretation of the law, in particular Section 8 of the Political Parties Act. We must say that the registrar received us very well, and we have had very cordial and extensive discussions with him. There is no reason to refuse the registration of the name Linda Mwananchi. And we have agreed that he will now review his decision, and before the end of the week, he will get back to us with his final decision on